Hi, welcome to this video, which is the first of two introductory videos on the tree in the Objects panel. The first thing to say about the Objects panel is that it replaces the project pane that appeared in earlier versions. To understand the implications, let's compare the two by looking at a project. Here we see a project is rendered in the tree in the Objects panel. And now let's take a step into the past for a moment and look at the way that this project would have appeared in version 9.3 and earlier versions. Flipping things around, when we look at the same project in 9.3, we see the project pane comprises a set of as many as 5 fixed size lists. When the contents exceed the size of the box containing them, scroll bars are used to allow traversal of the list. The labels on the list indicate their contents. The data files tracked by the project, the plots in the project file, the save files tracked by the project, the results files, if they exist for the project, and lastly, sets of various kinds that exist in the current model state. These might be geometry sets for any code, building block sets in FLAC 3D, or as is the case here, sketch sets in FLAC 2D. Flipping back, we'll see what has happened. First, what was a set of fixed size lists is now a tree, which gives the user more control over the panel space. Opening and closing the results branch will illustrate. Second, each of the first 4 lists from the previous version are found on the tree in the project branch. But sets go elsewhere. Specifically, they go into the model branch of the tree. The model branch represents all objects that exist in the current model state. And since sets are, as noted a moment ago, part of the model state, this is where they naturally appear in the tree. For experienced users, this will be something to remember when they find themselves looking for sets on the project branch, but not finding them there. The next video, part 2 of this introduction to the Objects panel, will look at each of the 4 branches of the tree in the panel with an eye to understanding the contents of each. We look forward to seeing you there.